Every time I pass by, I wonder, what are these squares in the field? So, I drove to have a look. There was an agricultural square baler working in the field. A square baler works by collecting loose hay and other materials off the ground and feeds it into the bale chamber. From there, a plunger moves back and forth towards the hay. Compresses the hay collected into a square shot. Finally, when the hay is pushed through the square baling chamber, the twine is wrapped and tied around the bale, which helps keep the bales together and maintain its square shape. That's the beauty of the agricultural baler machine. It combines harvesting, compressing, and baling in one machine, working with efficiency and precision to turn the joy of a good harvest into results within reach.